Okay, we're back at the BMT garage. Jamin's running away. He's got a little something special. What have you got? Yo!
I have got a double.
Who is it? Who is it? Expose him. Who is it?
Let's see what he's saying. No, yo!
Yo, what are you doing?
Just at the garage? What are you saying?
When you coming back?
Why?
Because I'm just gonna have a shower now, and if I come there now and you leave, then what's the point?
See, he doesn't care about his car. He doesn't want to be here. He doesn't got no motivation. He needs to be here.
There's nothing to do about my car.
Don't worry about it. There's always something to do. So we have got a very special part from Coupe, aka Momentum, Andrew Mercer, that's hooked me up personally for the all-wheel drive car. Now we've already fitted a sequential gearbox to it. Sequential gearbox, which you have saw we calibrate, as you say. Calibrate. So this is the final piece of the puzzle. Are you ready?
Of the Evo killing Skyline murdering puzzle.
Evos, Skyline, Porsches. What else is fast?
S2000. Sorry.
In reverse S2000. Anything. Beamers, G80s, M3s.
G80 is a good one.
Yes. Who else was there?
Vauxhall Nova with wheelie bars.
Now he's front wheel drive. We're still gonna look for him. Don't worry about him.
Oh, okay.
You've also got water and anything. Listen, anything. 1000 brake, 2000 brake, 900 brake, 400 brake, anything. Yeah. Phone me. Any German cars, any Jap cars, any
Mexican cars.
anything. You lot are not smoking this. I'm on all the smoke. Phone me and we're gonna line it up. Okay, just to give you some kind of perspective, I don't hide figures, right? This car last time done 3.3, 100 to 200. Now, should be faster. So, don't be scared. We can have a friendly. If I lose, I'll shake your hand and go home. Anyway, let's get back to this. That's another day, another story. That's all it is, yeah. Paperwork. Thank you.
Well, there's nothing in there.
Okay, so it is the transfer case for Mr. BMT. So, what makes this different? Let's go and get the old one as well. Then you could see, I know you're saying be nice with it, but the fact is,
Bro, I don't understand this geezer. Beautiful new part, it just whacks it fucking gears down. Look,
it's alright,
just
man.
treat it with a little bit of love.
So, this is an original one, what comes from a CRV. Yes? Now, the first biggest thing to look at is, look at the casing. Compare to this casing. This is from Drag Cartel. There you can see Drag Cartel mark. Full billet this is. These tend to break mainly, they say. One next upgrade that's going to go to that car next year will be a billet bell housing for the gearbox. We didn't have enough money this year. So, now this is all built up with big gears, well, high point gears. As you could see how these ones are, you got the professional name for it.
Beveled.
Okay, I just call them...
I think it's beveled.
I call, if it's wrong, yeah, cut Saj, I just call them slanted. Okay, and these are straight cut.
Straight cut, round noises.
Yeah. So, this, I don't care. I'm gonna launch this car. I don't care if it breaks, whatnot. The only thing that can break on this car is rear diff and rear shafts, which I'm in the motion of getting something better. But why I stayed that way is because if it's a CRV rear diff, if it breaks, it's £75 to £100 for a diff. You take some packs out, you weld them up, shut it back. It's good for 900 brake. So, why not? But final piece of the puzzle, hopefully we might even get this on today. Well, we are going to get it on today. Marine Gordon, he's overseas, try and get a map, and we might start it up today. That's what the plan is. If not, depending on how we're feeling, because we're a bit tired from yesterday cleaning and all. So, let's get this on anyway. Okay, so it's time for this gorgeous baby of ours. No, I'm cold. Still gotta make this line yet. Okay. Shall I just drop it? Ooh. Do. Oh no, we bought the wrong one.
Jamie, I heard somebody gave you like a little present.
Who?
Someone gave you a gift, bro. It goes around your head.
Didn't get it, bro.
And it helps you see.
Nah, I don't know who that was, you know.
A nice torch.
She looks beautiful, innit? Absolutely.
Shame it's the wrong one. You know, I can send it back for you.
Yeah, no problem.
Sure.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The word is gorgeous.
Should be Gucci. Haha. Oh my God.
Okay.
You're not using a gun?
I am settled, you know.
You're civilized.
Instead of word, I'm settled.
You're settled.
You know,
settler.
because my throat was in yesterday, I bought this spray. for the throat. It was
Deodorant?
nah, bro. It was absolutely disgusting.
Throat spray.
Yeah.
That's a new
oh
one.
my
That's probably why you sound
God.
fucked.
It wasn't even Difflam. Difflam Purity. This one was, oh my God. If the spray, yeah, the colour of it looked like Dettol.
What? What's a gargle dental?
Goggles. Okay, they are size 14. 14! My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed Jammy.
And I want to go fast.
Don't mind me, bro. I'm just checking the spec of your car, bro.
Check it, bro. Check it.
What would win in a race?
Me.
This or 1,000 brake Jaguar I-Pace?
I-Pace will have the launch. This will have the launch too, but this will just run past you.
Let's say they're both capped at 160 mile an hour.
This. I thought you were going to say, what will win in a race, this or Surfer?
That'd be a good race, you know.
Yep, I think it'll be Surfer.
Second gear, that second gear. You know, the first time I must have watched that about 50,000 times, yeah. The first 4 times I watched, I thought it was fast forwarded.
Yeah, I know.
I thought it was, these bastards edited it. Yeah. But it's fucking not. Just AJ's car's really slow.
Don't take the piss.
I'm gonna take a piss out of AJ.
Why?
Because he's my enemy, not enemy, but you know, he's a competition, my rival.
Yeah, but let me tell you something, you should never ever take the piss out of your competition. You should always be humbled about it.
You know what, Jamie, I normally agree with you, but fuck you! I'll take the piss out of him. Nah, you're supposed to be my mentor.
He ain't no mentor. He don't even know what he's doing himself. Just knows how to bully us, he's older than us. Well, that's what he does to me anyway.
Double my lifetime.
Oh, let's get him on camera now.
Sugas.
Slagum!
Assalamualaikum, Jamie.
What going, cuz?
What are you saying, guys?
What happened to you last night, cuz?
Because I had some food and that's it, come down, the souls are gone. Okay.
Allah, okay, you went to sleep. You're on camera, but you're on camera, mate.
I'm on camera.
Yeah, me and Saj making videos of you on the phone call right now.
You're not in the gym.
No, why am I going to be in the gym?
That's where I am. I'm in the gym. I walked into the gym, the boxing place.
Okay, are you here?
I'm here, but are you at the unit?
Yeah.
Pasha, I got a question for you on camera.
All right, Saj, sure. Big Saj, what's the question?
Are you Team Bava or Team Saj?
Oh, you know what it is? It's the same team, you know?
Bro, wrong answer, you would have been cut off.
You know what though, Bar?
Not the same team.
No, Bar. Pasha, you know what the problem is?
Same team.
Pasha. No, Pasha, you know what? Yeah, Bar gonna be upset. You know Bar for bloody 20 years plus.
You know Saj for 20 minutes?
And you know Saj for 2 minutes.
You know what it is, though? It all depends on drivers, yeah.
Pasha,
Stop being political,
listen,
man.
stop trying to be humble and just tell the proper PSA chat, bro.
No, I'm team Saj then.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, Pasha. You know, the right choice, Pasha.
Right choice, cuz.
Yeah, correct.
If you can't beat us, join them, innit?
You can't beat me, I don't even fucking
He wants to join you here, mate. He knows who your mentor is, isn't he?
Oh, yeah, shh. That's gonna be unveiled later.
Alright, listen, go on and pass me here, alright? Okay then, no traction bar.
Wait, Wait, who said that?
My boy, Mark.
No traction, good car, we got no traction bar. And I'm not allowed to take the piss out of Biggie.
I know he's gonna start crying.
You can't take, stop saying fucking bad things about Biggie, bro.
I'll fix the inlet, bro, it's okay now.
Don't, I was gonna punch a goat in PK. Come here, you bastard.
No, he's black. That goat looks like Saj. Knock him out.
They call Saj the goat. Yo, Jamie, who did all of this, bro? Was this me and you?
No.
We did some, yes we did. Bro.
Oh yeah, that. I thought you changed something. Yeah, we done that quite well. I don't know what's happening with that one though. It's a bit under piss.
Yeah.
But the shifter struck. Oh yeah. Saw that, you know. Man, child, let's go. Chill, Jesse. Oi, almost punched you in the face, G.
Bro, it wouldn't be the first time you punched me in the face.
I ain't punched you ever. Don't make me seem like some kind of
He's
bully.
a bad guy, bro. I don't get paid anything again. Hits me. Don't let me go home.
Do you want me to start hitting you?
No, please don't.
Okay.
Got bad knees, bro.
Don't worry. I won't get the one that's bad.
You can make both of them bad.
Okay, 2 minute job.
Oh shit, that's in. Look at it. Can you believe that transports 400 horsepower?
Mad, isn't it?
Maybe,
But this.
maybe even more.
Wait, we're gonna
Assuming it's 60-40 front rear.
We're going to talk a bit more in a minute.
Is it 70? 70-30?
So, I don't know if most of you know yet. So basically, this car was brought because I didn't want to all drive it myself because I didn't really understand it. So we bought this one and it was done by someone. It's not too bad, but it's a bit bodged, yeah? But it works.
Bodged ain't the word, it was...
Yeah. Everything from this point onwards is all me. Gearbox, everything, the way mounted and everything, yeah. Tiga. Everything from this point onwards was somebody else. So as you can see, look how they made the brackets, just welded them to the chassis. It shouldn't be like that, you should have the proper brackets. Anyway, it's got a big, massive Freelander viscous. I think that's the viscous. But they start, anyway, whatever it is, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, I don't give a shit. Freelander this, I don't know what the hell this one is, yeah? Then it's got a CRV rear diff. It ain't got no special back plate or nothing. It had some arms, they were on, but you know, these forks, the guy chopped them and then welded them to make them clear the dry shaft. So I bought new LCA, so these are actually my spec. These, new suspension, hubs. So I'm changing by August, just before August, new arms, shafts. The shafts might be done before, but anyway, shafts, diff, plate, arms, and the whole prop. And all this stage 1 kit, let's just call it stage 1 kit, is gonna go on another car for about 400-500 brake, just to have a bit of fun. Oil drive.
4-wheel drive, cool.
Oh, that'd be nice. Anywho, now we're gonna buy arms, different ones, more lighter. Well, I've saw a kit already and I'm debating to buy it already. But anyway.
What's the geese in it? Is it FCS or some shit?
Yes, but I might be going S1 built.
Okay.
Because they do a Jaguar setup. So they do the Jaguar diff, they do Jaguar shafts, Jaguar hubs, and they do a Jaguar prop.
So you're building
I think it's prop.
So you're building your cars, S2000 parts and Jaguar parts?
Everything to do with you.
I'm telling you, damn it. I know the way forward.
I think Musa's here, you know.
It sounds like Musa. But look at this.
But if Musa's here, that's a record for me to being here so early after a phone call.
Oh.
Yo!
Look at this. Well, you just
shit.
Round tacked it on.
You need to go and open the door to him. We're coming!
Right, Musa. This is Big Pasha Chino. But you're locked out for a reason, Pasha.
Why?
No, but I'm unlucky because you're Team Saj.
Exactly.
But Jamie told me to be humble. But nah. Competition, we're going to smug Bawa. And AJ.
And AJ.
Yeah, Bawa and AJ, same team.
You know what? You might leave the gate locked because I'm going.
You do on them, bro. He's on the team, mate. What are you still doing here?
I'm just waiting for the
boys to land in it. Just hanging around here.
For the boys to land in it.
Bawa's going to come, AJ's going to come.
He's going to land in it now. We're going to grind that ticket.
Alright, you know what? I'll let you in, bro. I'll let you.
Let us in then.
No, you're Team AJ.
Red Bull, Nafak. Fiji water. Fiji. Can't beat it, man. Can't beat it.
Nah, bro, go and swim, bro. I don't see no wings on your back. They said Red Bull gives you
I
wings.
need to climb somewhere and jump.
Oh,
Then how are you going to claim if you don't fly?
we need you to put lights up.
You're going to be plucked on the floor.
Jamie almost fell off camera. He missed it. So Jamie put ball 10 with gun. He did it. It's not on camera, so it didn't happen.
Not happy.
You're not happy?
Nah, babe.
Where can you get spaces from? A today.
Okay, check it. Halfords. Bulldog, ring Bulldog. There's an old school shop that is.
Can I pet that dog? The hell is this shiny pot? It's all installed. And you know what? Jamie didn't even use a gun. What a legend.
Oh.
You know, Big Saj Builds. Get stuff done, baby. Buy your merch from the store now.